Alright, well, this is not really an unboxing per se, but what I've got here is Amazon's Stark. It's a tamper. What it is, a vibration tamper. And what I did a couple months ago is laid a bunch of gravel in here. And we've had no moisture up until this big snowstorm that we got. So what I want to do is try and tamp this down a bit. And you can see where we've had to drive over this area and it was a little bit soft. So we're going to try and tamp this down and see if it'll tamper out a little bit. So won't you join me and we'll see what this looks like afterwards.